Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your computer cannot be connected, verify that the network path is correct, the computer is available on the network, and that the appropriate Windows Firewall rules are enabled on the target computer. To enable the appropriate Windows Firewall rules on the remote computer, open the Windows Firewall with Advanced Security Snap-in and enable the following inbound rules. And it says COM, network access, all rules in the remote event log management group. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So assuming there's no issue with Windows Firewall here, we're just going to jump into a couple of potential fixes here. So you want to go ahead and start by just opening up the start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best result should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to go ahead and select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create the backup, all you have to do is select the File tab and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Keep export range at all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you'd have to do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward process. And now we're ready to begin. So you want to start off by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. And now locate Microsoft and double click on it. Finally, there should be a COM3 folder. Just go ahead and left click on that. On the right panel here, you want to expand this column, and where it says remote access enabled, go ahead and double click on it. You want to make sure this is set to 1 like you see on my screen here, so the numerical value 1. Then select OK. Once it's done here, you can just close out of the registry editor, restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.